Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix computer or laptop not shutting down issue in Windows 11, 10. First method is type Edit Power Plan in Windows search bar, click Edit Power Plan. Choose what the power buttons do, click Change settings that are currently unavailable, uncheck Turn on Fast Startup. Second method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type power CFG space, H space, off. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.